Hey guys, today my pannier rails and panniers turned up for my Super Meteor 650, so I'm going to fit them. This is all the bits you get in the kit. So this is the instructions you get with it. It's pretty self-explanatory. All the supplies you get, and you pull the old bolts out, piss them off, put the new bolts in and nuts. And then if you got like a sissy bar, that's your instructions for your sissy bar. Too easy. So this is where they're going to go, just like that. Those two bolts there, take them out, put new ones in, and it's just going to fit down there with another bolt and a nut. So, not too hard at all, even I could do it. Alright, so the pannier rails are on, ready to go. Pretty easy, just two bolts there, one bolt and a nut there. Take all the old silver screws and throw them away, and you get all new screws for it. It doesn't look too bad, it's not too obtrusive at all. Look like little flamethrowers, so you can get away from the Harley guys. Pretty cool. Okay, the Shad 36 litre panniers are fitted. I don't think they look too bad. What do you reckon? But the good thing is they're quick release. So I'll show you that in a minute. But you're probably asking, so what do they fit? Well, let's have a look. Just simply push that down, unlocks that. There you go. Look at that, fits a jacket and your pair of gloves. So on a hot day you can go for a walk and take your jacket off. And what's in this pannier? This is even better. Ready? Pop that down. Look at that. It fits the helmet. It's a beauty, isn't it? But it doesn't fit my showy helmet. It's just a bit too big. So if you get a showy helmet, it might not work. But normal helmets, they fit. So awesome. Close that back up. Click. Now, do you want to see them come off? Simple as that. Okay. Now you can go to the airport and take your luggage with you. Okay, too easy. So it's just got this little clip there. And these two there. Just goes on like that. And over there like that. And you can do it with one hand. Nice. And that's it, locked on. Won't come off. So yeah, I'm happy with that. I'll just put them on now and again. Take them off. like 10 seconds. Beauty. That's the instructions you get when you get your panniers. That's the ones I've got. SH36s. Now the brackets I had to pre-order. They took about 2 months. So that's something you gotta think about. They're as rare as hen's teeth, they tell me. But look, you get a spare lock in case you get a top box one day. So you can key your top box. So you have one key for everything. I thought about everything. So, yeah, good stuff. Now here's a few other things you can get in your panniers, just so you can see the size ratio of them. This one will make Buddy, in particular, very happy. A dog bone. And for our Kiwi friends, a sheep. My old Meteor 350 panniers fit inside the new panniers. Oops. Shit, that wasn't supposed to be in there. Sorry about that.